Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay. Yeah, same. Yes.
You'll see the video when I'm
Oh, here we go.
It takes years to become
Here I go.
and just one to build.
You ready, Shane?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I got a fun fair car with me.
Well, I should say Air Raid 2. My first
Yeah.
time this ride.
Me and Carl. Fun fair Carl.
Singing my love songs and you tell me about.
And the original Air Raid, the first ones are M&Ds at the moment.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah!
It's an morning extreme ride. It's the Air Raid. Here we go.
Yes! Hey! Let's go! Oh wow, it's fast.
It's so crazy.
Oh, it's going up. Yes, it's going up. Yes. It goes higher.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
Bit chill now, chill, isn't it?
A nice gentle start.
Everybody, ticket for the next one. Join in the morning extreme.
Oh, you know what was funny? On the second ghost train I went on, I said, welcome to my video guys, KLM 2023, rather than 2024. Oh wow, that's a lot of G's. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, me too. I can feel it in my legs.
If you want to go faster, somebody scream.
Woo! Hey! Woo! Oh god, this is the hanging bit.
We're slowing you down. We're rocking you side to side.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Hang time.
Oh Jesus. I'm going to be a female after this ride.
Oh my goodness.
I think that just turned me into a female.
Okay, we're gonna do it some more, faster and faster. You're rocking with the extreme faster.
3, 2, are you ready? Oh yeah! Oi! Woo! We're the only ones on it. Oh, that was awesome.
Now that was fantastic. That was fast, extreme, but a really good one.
Yep.
Enjoy, Shane.
Yep, that was awesome.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more
Subscribe to my
videos.
channel and press